with Epson LabelWorks. Today we're going to do a tour of the shift key features on the keyboard of the LW-PX350. Let's start by turning the printer on. Now the shift key is here. It says shift in blue. It's going to function just like the shift key on your computer keyboard to give you upper or lowercase letters. But we're also going to use it to access the other features on the keyboard of the PX350. The shift key is in blue, so we're going to use it to access anything in blue on the keyboard. And to do that, we'll press and hold the shift key and then press the button you want. Let's start with delete, or the backspace button. So if I just use the backspace, it just deletes one character at a time. But if I use the shift key and the backspace button, it allows me to delete all the text at once. Moving over from there is our barcode option, and over from there is sequence. Jumping to the top row, we have mode. Now shift and mode gives us the decorate option, which is bold or italic and similar, spacing, and it gives us an additional way to access the font type. Over from there, we have the style button. Style gives us the orientation, vertical or horizontal, layout settings, frames, as well as an additional way to access the font size. Over from that one is our File button. This is how you're going to save or recall saved labels. And last on the top row is our Cable and Flag. This printer allows for some light cable labeling, creating wraps or flags, and you can use those features there. Jumping over to the Condition option, this allows you to change the unit of measure, the screen prompt language, or control the density for either the screen or your print. And last but not least is the Print button. Shift and the Print button will give you options to feed or feed and cut the tape. Jumping down on the keyboard, we have our Caps Lock. This feature will allow you to turn the caps lock on or off. Over on the arrow keypad, this will allow you to jump to the left, right, top, or bottom of your label. And last but not least, shift and the return key allows you to add columns or text blocks on your label. That was a tour of the shift key features on the keyboard of the LW-PX350. If you have questions on this printer or want to chat about your labeling needs, give us a call. We would love to talk with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling!